guys, good morning. Ayan, so dumating na ako ng Stockholm, Sweden kahapon. Ang gulo ng buhok ko. Currently, it's 5 a.m. Pero nagising ako kanina mga 2 a.m. Because I was freaking tired from the flight kahapon. Medyo napagod ako kahapon. Gising ako ng madaling araw, hindi na ako makatulog. And I got hungry. So now, kakain tayo ng sinigang. Kasi kahapon nagluto ako ng sinigang. Magsasandok muna ako while magchika tayo konti. Ayan na siya guys, sinigang, ininit ko lang siya sa microwave and papakita ko lang sa inyo yung weather ngayon dito. Hindi na masyadong malamig dito ngayon. Ayan, so hindi na nagsusnog pero medyo malamig pa din. Ayan, kain tayo ng sinigang. Initin ko lang konti para kulang sa init. So, agahan na talaga to. And oh my god, yung mga buhok ko tumatayo. So anyway guys, so nagland ako kahapon. Supposedly 6:30 yung flight ko magla-landing, but we landed a little too early, like 6 in the morning. And so I was picked up by my sister-in-law. Hindi nakasama yung husband ko kasi he has to stay home. He was sick for a while. So, ayan. So, chichika ko lang konti, guys. When I landed and I queued to the immigration, sobrang bilis lang doon. Wala na masyadong tinanong talaga sa akin, honestly. The lady who handled me there, she asked for, of course, I presented my passport and my boarding pass, and then she asked for my purpose or ano yung gagawin ko dito sa Sweden. So I told her I'm here to move to my husband, and she's like, oh wow, do you have a card? So binigay ko yung UP card ko or yung UP Hotel Stone card ko or yung residence permit card natin. And sabi niya doon, is this your first time coming here with a card? And for sure, alam nila yon. Alam nila, of course, yung history ng pagpunta dito and yung residency or yung permit natin. And I told her, yes, it's my first time. And she goes, oh, exciting, good luck. And that's it. Yun lang talaga, and nandito na ako.